Rodolfo Fernandes, politician. Rodolfo Louis Fernandes, from Bondir, Santa Cruz, is an Indian politician representing St. Cruz Goa Assembly constituency in the state of Goa, India. He started seeking state office in 2012 in the state legislature as an independent and embraced the INC when the opportunity was available in 2022. Rudolfo was elected to Goa State Legislature in 2022. Rodolfo is the son of late former Santa Cruz MLA Victoria Fernandes. Victoria served for the Santa Cruz constituency from 1994. She was denied the seat in 2012, and Indian National Congress gave the seat to Atanasio Monserrate, who represented the Taleigao constituency from 2007–2012. Jenifer Monserrate, wife of Atanasio, was given the Taleigao constituency seat in 2012. Political career. In 2012, Rodolfo Louis Fernandes' initial attempt, he ran as an independent, a seat held by his late mother Victoria Fernandes, and lost to Atanasio Monserrate of INC by a margin of 2336 votes, which was 10.93% of the total votes polled. Monserrate was barred from Indian National Congress for anti-party activities in 2015. Subsequently, Atanasio jumped ship to BJP. In 2017, Rodolfo ran for a second time again as an independent and lost to Antonio Fernandes of INC in a field of 8 candidates. The winner of this contest was Antonio with 6,202 votes. Hemant Galatkar and Rodolfo Fernandes procured 5,560 and 5,262 votes respectively of the 22,215 total votes. Antonio Fernandes switched from INC to BJP in 2019. Antonio was denied the INC party seat in 2022. In 2022, Rodolfo Fernandes ran for the third time, but now as Indian National Congress candidate. This seat was held by his mother, late former Goa MLA Victoria Fernandes. The political patience was rewarded in 2022. Rodolfo Fernandes defeated Antonio Fernandes, who had switched to BJP midstream. Rodolfo procured 8,841 votes to Antonio 6,377. Personal life. Rodolfo Louis Fernandes was born to André Francisco Xavier Ramao Fernandes and Victoria Fernandes in Santa Cruz, Goa. Rodolfo completed his XTH from Santa Cruz High School and went on to complete his XIF from Demp College of Art and Science, Murmur Panaji. He is married and has 3 children. The Fernandes are Roman Catholics. References